So here it is. This is the house. This is the lakefront house I was teasing you about yesterday. We're live. So where we're looking at, what you're looking at in the backdrop is lovely Whitmore Lake, all sports lake. And then we're 10146 Canal Drive. It's 1,200 plus square feet. It's got a separate living room, family room, enclosed porch, gorgeous deck with panoramic views of the lake. Rather than me talking about it, let's take you inside. Come on inside. So did I tell you this was a beauty? Thank you for stopping by and taking a look at 10146 Canal Drive on gorgeous all sports Whitmore Lake. You can take your boat up to D's Ice Cream. You've got close proximity to highways, the schools, and other shopping. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 734-800-1148. But one thing, don't miss out on this opportunity.